Hi guys, welcome to another SMT tutorial video. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to research a protocol's treasury using DeFiLlama. That means if you want to know what assets a DeFi project holds and how its treasury is structured, this tool actually makes it easy. Before we proceed, if you find our tutorial video helpful, you can support our YouTube channel by buying our educational token Wiki Cat. Wiki Cat is built on the Binance Smart Chain network. The contract address will be in the description. Alright guys, let's dive right into today's tutorial. So first off, open your phone's browser. Go to DeFiLlama.com. So here's the home page. If you're using a smartphone, I'll advise that you toggle on desktop site for proper viewing. Now let's locate the Treasury section. Tap the menu at the top right corner. Open the old menu section to find Treasuries. Now tap to access the Treasury section. Good. Now here's the Treasury's dashboard, where different protocols or projects are ranked by the value of their Treasury holdings, which allows us to compare how different Treasuries are allocated. Right? Now here's how to analyze the information. The breakdown bar gives you a quick visual summary of what's inside each project's Treasury. Right? The stablecoins column actually shows how much of the treasury is made up of the stablecoins, such as USDT or USDC. Right? The majors column shows how much of the treasury is held in major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Right? The own tokens column actually shows how much of the project's own cryptocurrency is kept in its treasury. And the others column actually shows the value of all other cryptocurrencies held by the project and that don't fall in any of these categories, right? So the column tagged total excluding own tokens actually shows the total value of the treasury without including the project's own cryptocurrency. And this gives us like a clearer picture of the value of other assets that the project owns. Now the total treasury column shows the total value of everything in the treasury, including the project's own token and all its other assets. Right now, finally, the market cap column actually shows the current market value of the project's cryptocurrency. Now, by reviewing all this column, right, you can better understand how a protocol manages its treasury and the types of assets that it holds. Right? So now if you're looking for a specific project, simply use the search bar. For instance, let's check out Ethereum Foundation. Good. So now we can view the treasury information of Ethereum Foundation directly, and all of these things I've explained, we can view them individually for this project. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching the tutorial video. If you have any question concerning the tutorial video, please put it in the comment section. And do not also forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on your notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we post a video. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.